By 2030, cars won't just drive, they'll fly. Here's why experts believe it's closer than you think.
What if your car could fly? Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Sounds like a movie, right? But it's real. Humans have dreamed of flying cars for nearly 100 years. But today, that dream is almost here. So, what is a flying car? It's part car, part plane, part drone. Believe it or not, companies have already made them. Like Aircar in Europe and Jetson 1 in Sweden. Imagine skipping traffic by flying above it. No traffic jams, no stress, just the sky. Flying cars run on electric batteries. Rotors like giant drones. And AI autopilot systems. But it's not that easy. Flying cars are expensive and need sky traffic rules. By 2030, you might see them as flying taxis.